Hi everyone, this is test 13 module 2 even numbered questions. Okay, the first question is here. Number 2, you can read question. Okay, 22 kilometers. You're gonna change in nautical mile. That's the equivalent. Okay, the nautical mile and the kilometers. Using this one, we have two conversion factors. Actually, the unit conversion factor. Okay, the first one is 1 nautical equals 1.852 kilometer. That's the first conversion factor. Second one is 1.852 kilometer. That is equals 1 nautical. Okay, you have two. But this one is from kilometer to nautical miles. This nautical miles to kilometers. That's the convergence. At this time, 22 kilometers is given. This is 22 kilometers given. So, kilometer to nautical, first one conversion factor useful, right? So you multiply it 1 nautical over 1.852 kilometers. That is kilometers nautical. That's why kilometer is out. That is equals to 22 over 1.852 nautical mile, right? So you have to use your calculator. I have a decimal over here. 22 over 1.852. 11.87, okay? So 11.88 is the answer. The number 4. Okay, read question. On the first day, they practiced P minute. Second day, N more. Okay, so P plus N. What are the P's? P plus 5 minus 1 times, and that is what? Formula for arithmetic sequence. Okay, do you remember this one? AN terms equals first term plus n minus 1 times common difference d. At this time, d is n, right? That's why I use this one. 5 minus 1. So p plus 4n is the answer. Number 6. You have two letters, but different index number. One is 3, the other one is 2. So to find value of a, we need exponent form. Okay, the first one is x to 1. 2a minus 5 over 3. Second one is a plus 2 over 2. They must be equals. Common base number, exponent should be equal, right? So this is equal. So cross multiplication is better. Yes. 2 times this one. 4 over a minus 10 equals 3a plus 6. So minus 3a, a equals plus 10 plus 10, 60. Okay, the value of a is 60. Okay, move on next, number 8. Here we go. We have a table with 4 selected value of x and its corresponding value of y. Which of the following defines? When you calculate, you can find this is increased by 2. Same distance. This is decreased by 3. Same distance. Now we can recognize the line is linear. The first we can find the slope. Slope is change in y over change in x. Negative 3 over 2. So slope is negative 3 over 2. But in this case, what is y-intercept? negative 3 over 2xn plus b. You're going to find the y-intercept using any point. So I'm going to use this one because x is 2, y is 10. Y is 10, x is 2 over here. 2 is cancel out negative 3n plus b. So b equals plus 3 both sides, that is 13. So this one equals 13, right? Option D is the answer. All right, movement number 10. Okay, the read questions. Okay, that is sample to the population, right? Yes, the sample is small, there must be always error, right? That is called the margin of error. At this time, 0.04 is 4%. This is 0.75 is 75%. From here, plus or minus 4%. That is the margin of error, right? If we have a large sample size, margin of error getting decreased. But if you survey the population, whole population data, the margin of error is 0, right? Okay. So this one, some sample size we got what? Plus minus 4 is 71 to 79, right? So we can predict the percentage between 71 and 79, right? You can guess to the population, okay? Here is the number 12. We have two lines on a circle. That's the radius. What is that's new? The angle in radians. Maybe you can find out from here. That is square root 3, and this is 1, this is 2. You know that this is a 30 degree, right? This is special right triangle, okay? 2, 1, red 3, this one will be 60. And the other one is 30. Also, this is a 30, right? So whole thing is 120. You have 120 degree. After that, you can change into radian. Radian also what? Conversion factor. This degree over here, bottom is degree, 180 degree, that is equals to pi radian. This also we set unit conversion factor. Okay, degree 2 radian. So this is degrees cancelled out, 1 0 is out. Also you can divide by 6, that is 2 and 3, right? So you can say 2 pi over 3 radian, okay? And also you know that 120 degree is 2 over 3 pi, right? Number 14. The equation has infinite solutions. That means what? Both side expressions must be equal. 2x equal 2x. For any variable, they are equal, right? That has infinite many solutions. So both side expressions must be equal. 4kx and minus 20k, that is equals 2x and minus 10. 4kx must be 2x, right? So 4k must be equals 2, it's coefficient. Negative 20k and also must be equals to negative 10. So to find the value, you can divide it by 4, that is 2 over 4 is 1/2. Negative 10 over negative 20 is still 1/2. You can use right either of this one or this one. Coefficient of x or constant. The answer is 0.5 or 1/2. Okay. Number 16. We have x squared minus 2x minus 4 defined for this domain. X is between 0 and 4. Which of the following represent the range of x? I'm going to solve this without using graphing, but you better use decimals, okay? Because we can make a graph and we can cut up the way, the range, the domain, right? Oh, I'm going to show this first. The y equals x squared and minus 2x and minus 4. That's the graph. So we're gonna take out the domain, right? 0 and 4. So you can use this as the middle bracket. Okay? Semi bracket, where is it? Here. Okay. It's going to be 0 and x and less than 4, right? Can you see that? This is domain, right? But this is the minimum value over here. That is domain, right? The minimum to maximum. Okay, so negative 5, 4 is the answer, okay? Or algebraically from 0, put this number 0 very quickly, right? This is also, you can do that. Negative 4, put this number 4 there. 4 squared is 16 minus 2 times 4 is 8 minus 4, that is 4, right? But still, this is quadratic, not a linear. Okay, you have to find the minimum value. Where is the minimum value, okay? So when x equals x over symmetry, negative 2, negative b over 2a, right? So minimum value when x equals 1, so we're going to check it out, the minimum. When x equals that is negative 2, negative 4 is negative 5, right? The graph looks like this one. When x equals 0, that is negative 4, but x equals 1, that is negative 5. The next one is over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. That is 5. Okay, the graph looks like this. That is minimum, okay? So negative 5, 2, 4 is the answer. Here we go. Okay, what is minimum value? First, we can find the minimum of this one and multiply 1 over 5. That's still minimum. Okay, how can you find the minimum over here? You can use right x over symmetry or vertex. This time I'm going to use the vertex one. X squared minus 4x is x minus 2 half of this number is 2 and squared. That is 4. You can minus 20, right? Add 4 minus 4, another negative 16. That is negative 20. Okay. So f of x equals 1/5. When x is 2, it has a minimum inside the parentheses, negative 20. But you're going to find, right, the minimum value f of x. So you multiply 1 over 5. Negative 20 times 1 over 5 is negative 4. Okay, that's the minimum value. Or you can expand everything. It doesn't matter. Okay. Here's number 20. Yeah. This is the input, x minus 5 over 3, that is input. This input is negative 1. In this case, what is the value of f of negative 1? So x minus 5 over 3, that is input, now equals to negative 1. For what value that is going to be? That's going to be negative 1. So x equals what? 3, isn't it? Oops, I'm sorry. Okay, x equals 2. X minus 5 equals negative 3 plus 5, x equals 2. When you put this number x equals 2 there, okay, you can try. Check it out. 2 minus 5 over 3 is negative 1. That's true. Okay. This number x equals 2 in the equations. 2 squared, 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Okay. That's the answer. Here is the number 22. This is the graph of f of x. This is the graph of g of x. F of x is given by over here, the equations. F of x equals x squared times x minus 2. But g of x, there's a Chung translation. Okay? You can choose one point over here. This point is a corresponding point. What happens? To the right, 3 unit, down 3 unit. Okay, so 3 unit right, and 3 unit down. So f of x will replace with what? X with x minus 3. That means move to the right by 3 unit. And down is minus 3, right? That is g of x. So f of x, when you hover here, dot product but expanded form, right? So you can separate. So f of x equals now x cubed and minus 2x squared. Now put this number in the x, okay? What is that? X minus 3 cubed and minus 2 times x minus 3 squared, okay? And we have another one, move down by 3, right? So minus 3 again. That is g of x, okay? So 3 units to the right, 3 units down, okay? So where is the answer? Choice B is the answer, okay? Number 24. We have data set X. We created data set Y by multiplying each of the value of data by X by 2 times 2. Okay, you can make a new data set over here, okay? So 10 is 20, 15, 20, times 10, I'm sorry, times 2, 20, 30, and 40 times 2 over here, 50, another times 2, 60, 70. Data frequency is the same, okay? So if we have this one, the median, times 2 is 40, right? Or median is, for example, if you have the median 23, times 2 is 46, that is also median, okay? Also, always median is what? Twice, okay? So where is the median is twice? Data set Y is twice the median, right? Yeah, that is twice, they are twice. Equal is not working. So we have a choice A or B. Now take a look the range. The range is over here, you know, the 50. This is what? 25. Also increased by 2 times, okay? Y is twice the range of data set X. Choice B is this, okay? Here is number 26. A and B solutions to these equations. What is the value of A plus 3? One of the solution plus 3, another solution plus 3, okay? So that is a quadratic, but this is not factorable. So we cannot find the A and B directly, right? Maybe you can use the quadratic formula, it doesn't matter, but it takes time. If you know the Beta's formula, if you have this one, square plus bx plus c equals 0. Where's the solutions? Sum of solutions. We have 2 solutions right here. That equals negative b over a. Product R1 times R2 equals c over a in the quadratic, okay? Or the quadratic, okay? Higher degree polynomial, the product is given, right? Sometimes they're gonna have right negative side of it, okay? It depends on degree, okay? Degree 2 is positive, other number degree is negative. Okay, that's different. But in this case, sum of root a plus b equals by the formula here. Negative 10 over what? Negative 10. Product equals negative 5 over negative 5. That's the given. How can you find this number? You can expand it, okay? How can you expand? A times b plus 3a plus and 3b and plus 9. You can use a point, right? The 2 times distribution. AB is a product. Can you show me here? AB plus 3, AB is sum of the root, and plus 9. We can find this product is negative 5, and the sum of the root is negative 10 and plus 9. Okay, that is negative 30 and 5 is negative 35 and plus 9. So negative 26 is the answer, okay? Okay, that's all today. I'll see you next video, okay? Thank you.